Welcome to Idle Minds. In this video, we will talk about what appears to be one of the most challenging hurdles in an Upwork freelancer's career. Writing a cover letter. The proposal or cover letter is one of the most critical parts of the freelance job process. The good news is that it's very easy to write a winning proposal, and the bad news is that you need to write it well. In this video, I'll share with you everything you need to know about writing a proposal and how to ensure that you'll get noticed by the client. Before we start with the topic, allow me to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel. As of this writing, we have 429 subscribers and 354 watch hours. And, thanks to you, we are inching closer to YouTube's monetization requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And because you keep coming back, I promise to make more content, so long as they are helping you. Let's talk about writing a winning proposal on Upwork. Your proposal serves as an introduction to you, your services, and your work. In other words, it's the first step toward showing prospective clients what you can do for them. It's a tool to let potential clients know you are the solution to their problems. The first mistake of any freelancer is to think that they will get hired just because of their proposal. While it could sometimes happen, Upwork doesn't work that way. The purpose of your proposal is to grab the client's attention, introduce yourself and your services as the solution to the problem, and invite them to discuss the project. If the client responds to your proposal, chats with you, or invites you for a video call, you did a good job writing the cover letter. It means your proposal did its job of getting you noticed and get you invited. Before we talk about how to write a proposal, let's look at the characteristics of a poorly written one. We will talk about this so you can avoid it. Here are the elements of a lousy cover letter. The proposal is too long for a quick read. Has grammar, punctuation, and capitalization errors. No clear structure. No selling or marketing points. No clear benefit to the client. It is unclear what you will deliver. Weak or no clear call to action at the end. While some clients read your proposals from start to finish, a vast majority skim through them, looking for one that stands out. So, if something is wrong with your proposal, the client will skip it more often than not. But if you write it in such a way that it captures their attention, then you have a fighting chance. That's what it's all about. A fighting chance. With the hundreds of proposals the client has to review, getting noticed and winning business is a 1,000,000-to-1 shot. So, I say, don't blow it. So, how do you write a winning proposal? A well-written proposal should be informative and engaging, yet concise enough to convey the benefits of your service. I will show you some cover letter samples later in this video, but first, let's talk about what you should include in your proposal. It's very tempting and convenient to just Google a proposal template, but learning how to write one is essential because you need to remember that freelancing is your business. You will be writing proposals for as long as you are a freelancer. Here are sections you need to include in your cover letter. 1. A friendly greeting. Most freelancers overextend the friendly greeting by making it too long. A simple hey, hi, or hello will do. 2. Include the name of the client. If available, personalize your proposal by including the name of the client. You can find their name in the review section of their profile. Some freelancers would include the client's name when they leave a review. If the client's name is nowhere to be found, most freelancers would say, "Dear hiring manager." 3. Tell them you've read the details of the job ad. A simple "I've read the details on the job ad" will suffice. This will allow you to highlight the points in the job ad. It shows you've done your homework and lets the clients know you've taken the time to read their ad and understand the job requirement. Alternatively, you can say, "I see that you're looking for a blank for your blank. I'm glad I found your job ad because I am this, and that." 4. Tell them why you are the best fit for this job. This is the part where you talk about yourself. However, you have to have a structure here. Simply listing your skills, competencies, expertise, and experience is not enough. Don't just leave the client to decide whether or not you're qualified. Help them to decide by relating your skills and experiences to what they are looking for, which will help them see that you are the right person for the job. Essentially, you are telling the client that you are the most qualified of all the freelancers who submitted a proposal because of the skills and competencies you possess. 5. Don't forget the call to action. Most people like to be told what to do next, which makes a call to action very powerful. By prompting your client to take action right now, you help them decide what needs to be done, you reduce the chances of them moving away from your profile, and it can help convince clients to invite you for a meeting. There are many types of calls to action. However, the most successful CTAs are the ones that generate enthusiasm, emotion, or curiosity. So, saying "I hope to hear from you today" is bland compared to "let me help you with your business problem today." Here are other call to action options you can use in your cover letter. Let's discuss the problem today. Start by sending me your questions. Let's schedule a consultation or meeting today. Message me now to discuss the details of the project and budget. I look forward to speaking with you today. I'm sure you've noticed that you are telling your client when to contact you besides the call to action. Adding the words "now" or "today" gives a sense of urgency and persuades them to act immediately. 6. Don't forget to add a postscript. Most clients will skip the contents of your letter, but they are most likely to read whatever is written in your postscript or PS. I learned this technique from Lex DeVille on YouTube. The postscript is a part of your proposal body found at the end. This is where you mention something extra about yourself, your proposal, or your skills. You can add many things here, such as links to your portfolio, your other proposals or case studies, or a testimonial about yourself. According to Lex DeVille, you can add something like, "P.S. Please keep my profile handy, in case you need my services." Now that we have talked about what you need to include in your cover letter, let me show you some samples of Upwork cover letters. Please note that these proposals are written in response to job ads I found on Upwork. Besides following the content outlined earlier, I added a bit of personal touch. Customizing and personalizing a cover letter goes a long way in convincing your potential client to hire you. A warning though. Copy-pasting anything is a mortal sin on Upwork and could get you banned. If you want to copy the samples, copy the idea, not the words. Clients can tell if you copy-pasted a proposal, which is the most effective way to get ignored on Upwork. So, don't copy-paste. Here is sample number 1 for email support virtual assistant with customer service experience. Hi Genevieve. I see you're looking for a virtual assistant who specializes in customer service and has a background in email support. You can stop looking now because you have already found one. I am Gino, a tenured virtual assistant and a veteran of the business process outsourcing industry. I have over 10 years of experience working as a virtual assistant, client support specialist, project manager, and customer service specialist. As an experienced professional in customer service and business process outsourcing, I understand the pain points and challenges you face in your business and have developed a clear strategy to help you succeed in your online business. I can provide excellent quality work that will exceed your expectations, bring value to your business, and make your life easier. I can start right away. Let's talk today and get things started. Sincerely. P.S. I know your rate is $12 an hour, but I'm willing to start at $8, and we can increase it back to $12 after a test run. Here is sample number 2 for a data entry specialist. I can't find the client's name, so I just said, "Hello, hiring manager. After reading your job advertisement on Upwork, I am convinced I can be your data entry specialist. Considering my extensive experience in typing, data processing, customer service, and investment in my work-from-home setup, I believe I am the freelancer you seek. You can expect to receive high-quality work, punctuality, and accuracy if you hire me. In return, I expect you to pay me a fair and reasonable rate for my services. Book a video call with me today to discuss the project. I am available to start immediately. Best regards. P.S. I have a proven workflow that ensures 100% data accuracy. I can discuss this with you during our meeting." Here is sample number 3 for a client looking for a social media manager with knowledge in video editing. This is a cold intro. So, immediately, the client is greeted with the statement of a problem. It's a different presentation, but the objective is the same. Here is an example. Regarding social media marketing, most people are pretty poor at video editing and even worse at making videos. This can be frustrating, time-consuming, and expensive, especially if you're trying to build a brand. Hi Michael. My name is Gino. I am a video editor extraordinaire. I specialize in creating fun, engaging, and original videos that help businesses tell their story, and I have been doing this job for nearly 5 years. Hiring my services means you no longer need to worry about these issues. I'll take care of the project's video editing aspect while managing your social media accounts so you can focus on your business. What more can you expect if you hire me? I will create professional, polished, creative videos from beginning to end. I work closely with you throughout the process and produce a high-quality final product. I ensure everything is properly optimized to rank high in search engines and ensure your message is received. Here are some projects I've completed over the years. I'd love to hear more about your company and get started. Shall we discuss the details of your project today? Send me a message. P.S. I just mastered a new editing technique that you might find beneficial for one of your programs. Here is sample number 4 for a client looking for a social media manager. Hi Jennifer. Today, I read your job ad about your struggle to find a social media manager. I couldn't stop myself from sending you a message because, I'll admit, you were describing me with the details you added for the kind of social media manager you were looking for. I am Gino, and I work as a full-time social media manager for various clients in different industries, whether their social media plan is new or existing. This is why you will benefit from my experience, as I know exactly how to deal with these issues. In addition, I have experience with a range of other social media platforms, including Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, etc. This would be an excellent fit for your business. I have several sample social media plans I could send you so you can see what I can do for you. You can check them out here. Do you have some time this afternoon? I want to talk about your social media efforts and see how I can best be of service to you and your business. Thanks, Jennifer. Sincerely, Gino. P.S. I saw one of your company's posts on Facebook, and I can help you optimize that campaign for better engagement. Finally, sample number 5 is for a client seeking a content writer. Hi James. I noticed that you posted this job ad 3 days ago. Still can't find a suitable content writer? My name is Gino. I've been a writer since the early 2000s. I've written content for dozens of clients all over the world. If you want quality blogs for your new website, look no further. I have a unique social media marketing, blogging, and copywriting background. I've published dozens of articles on search engine optimization, web design, marketing, and content strategy. I also have extensive experience working with Fortune 500 companies. So if you're looking for someone who understands how to write content that will get results, I'm your guy. Let's talk if you'd like me to look at your current content or maybe do a test run on some new material. I'm available for a video call anytime today. Thanks. P.S. If you have time, you can visit my blog to view samples of my work. Final words. Writing a proposal or cover letter isn't that hard, but taking the time to do it right is crucial. The real challenge is writing the one that converts. Even if you believe your cover letter is the best cover letter of all time, many factors may affect your chances of getting the project. The secret here is to keep trying, experimenting with your approach, and improving how you write your cover letters. If you feel like your cover letter is not getting any attention, don't give up. As I mentioned, you need to keep experimenting with the possible approach. After all, being a freelancer isn't just a game of writing the best cover letter. It's also a game of numbers. So, keep trying. What do you think is the most effective Upwork cover letter? Please feel free to leave a comment. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, I hope you can show some love by liking the video, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Please share the video in freelancing social media groups if you find it informative and helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.